Hi, you guys, welcome back. I have my little coffee here, and in today's episode of my holiday series, which is gonna be the last episode, we're gonna be bringing Christmas down. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas, and you guys, it is time. It is a tradition for me. I know some people wait until the 6th of January, but in this house, we have made it a tradition for the past couple of years. If you've been following along, I like to start the new year with a clean home and a clean slate. And that's what we're gonna do today. So I hope you enjoy today's vlog. So you guys, me and the hubby started putting down the Christmas tree stuff. So he was in charge of bringing all the little crystals down. And honestly, you guys, teamwork makes the best. You know, we have to team up to do these things. We have Kaylin until my mom picked her up, of course, and it makes things harder because she just wants to play with everything. She wants attention. You know how it is when you have a toddler at home, it gets difficult, but we were trying to speed up and get as much done as possible. I feel so bad for Bella, you guys, because her little cozy corner is gonna come to an end. She loved just laying here under these little twinkle treats, and I don't blame her. It's absolutely gorgeous in there. But anyways, I'm putting them down in the boxes as they came in. Then I go back and forth to help the hobby with the Christmas tree because, you know, men sometimes don't have a lot of patience when it comes to all the little details that goes on the Christmas tree, and I didn't want him to, you know, cut any light cables or anything like that, bringing the ornament garland down. Kaylin was living her best life. She grabbed an ice cream, then she got in top of the containers, like in the storage containers. You know how it is. She was just having a blast. You guys, 1 3 down, 3 more to go. The dining room tree was pretty much easy because all I had was a few ornaments and a big bow. So he went ahead and put that one away real quick. He was happy about that. And then I took out everything from the dining table, or the dining table decor that I put. I packed that as well. Took out all the batteries from the garland. You don't want to leave any batteries when it comes to your decor. And then I went into the kitchen and I took the little wreaths, the pigs, you know, just moving everything that had to do with Christmas out of the way. So of course my camera have to stop recording, but I packed all of my Christmas decor from the kitchen and I brought it down and I wrapped everything into a container. Then I headed to the entryway, put the wreath away, and you guys, these wreath bags are the best. You put the wreath and you could also put the pigs in there. I brought a bunch of stuff in that bag and I got 2 of them this year, and of course I took out the door bow and I also put it in there. So after all the Christmas decor was gone, it was time to wipe all the areas down. The hobby brought the arrangement that I'm going to be using for now in this area. I cleaned the mirrors, the windows in this area, and then I vacuumed the entire house really well. After I vacuumed, I had the hobby bring out the accent chairs. Decided to leave the same living room layout and I just brought out the accent chairs. Then I, of course, cleaned up the coffee table. I brought out this floral arrangement that I had previously and then kind of, you know, put it in there. And pretty much just kind of simple stuff for now for the winter time until we bring all the spring decor. But I was excited to open these beautiful, gorgeous pillows from Sea Gallery. I got them as a gift for Christmas, and you guys, I mean, how gorgeous are they? They come in black, but also in white. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. I am honestly obsessed with it. It's so pretty. Then I headed to the kitchen to just wipe everything down, the appliances and the countertop, to make sure everything is nice and clean. Then I mop the entire house really good, you guys. I like to do a soapy water first and kind of scrub the entire floors and then go in with a clean water and rinse the floors. That's how I clean my porcelain floors, you guys. You guys, the next day in the morning, I toggled the Christmas tree from the kids' room. I was debating whether to keep the tree and make it a Valentine's Day tree, but honestly, those holidays are not meant for trees. I like that. I've done that before in the past. But I was like, you know what? No, we're getting rid of Christmas. Christmas is over and we're gonna start fresh. And anyways, Kaylin got a little kitchen for Christmas, so we're gonna set it up and put it in this area. So I was like, let me just clear the rooms. So I went ahead and clear everything out that was Christmas related, including the bedding. When I was done with Kaylin, I headed to Jaden's room, and the best part is that my big boy took out all the ornaments and decorations from his tree already. So I just had to put it away, and then he was kind of, helping me out to clean. I had him organize all his Pokemon cards. Then I changed his bedding. I added clean bedding, took out the Christmas bedding, and then we just clear out Christmas just like that. And he is requesting a big, huge room makeover for his birthday this year, so stay tuned for that because I have some great ideas for this space, so I cannot wait to work on it. But we have a few months until we get there. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. That was it for today's video. I hope this video inspires you to clean your home after the holidays and gives you some motivation. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not part of the family, because you don't want to miss my January series. It's gonna be packed of full amazing content for you guys. And now we have a clean canvas to start and get this home ready for the new season to come.